Hello, we're going to do some more super science today, and today we're going to make some magic colour changing potions. So you need quite a bit of things from your kitchen for this one today. So the most important thing you need is a red cabbage. So I've got about a quarter of red cabbage here. You don't need all of a red cabbage. You could just use some of the outside leaves, but it needs to be a red one. Okay. Need a chopping board. And we're going to need a big sharp knife for chopping up the cabbage. That's where you're going to need some adult help with that part. Then we are going to cook the cabbage in a pan with some water, just some water in the sink. And we're going to cook it up for a little while, and then we're going to take the juice that we've made from that and put it into some pots. And then you're going to need some things to make the colour change. I'm going to use lemon juice, I'm going to use vinegar and some bicarbonate of soda. So the first thing to do is to chop up your red cabbage. So make sure you've got an adult to do this for you, or that an adult is working with you to make sure you're keeping your fingers safe. So keep your fingers behind. Keep going. Okay. So then you're going to pop your pieces into the pan. And we're going to cover those with some water. So there should be just enough to cover the cabbage. So we're going to put the heat under the pan. And we're going to bring the water to the boil. That means the water is going to start bubbling. So again, you need an adult to do this. And hopefully you can see already, look, the water is starting to go beautiful lilac purple colour. Okay, so our cabbage has had 10 minutes simmering. You can see how dark purple the liquid is now. So we're going to turn off the heat. You see it's steaming away. Now it's really hot, so we're going to leave it for another 10 minutes to cool down. Okay, so it's been cooling for 10 minutes. It's looking nice and purple. So we're going to get the liquid out by straining it into a jug. So we're just going to hold the cabbage back. You'll need an adult to help you with this. Pour it. Just start there. Okay, so now we're going to take some of the red cabbage juice that we've made, and we're going to put some in each of these white pots. So you can see it is a beautiful purple colour. And now we're going to see if we can change the colour of some of these liquids by using some different ingredients. The first one I'm going to try is some bicarbonate of soda. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in and stir it round. Oh, and hopefully there you can see it's got a beautiful dark blue colour. Okay, next I'm going to try some vinegar. Try vinegar in this one. So hopefully you can see as I'm adding that, swirl it round, it goes bright pink or red. And then finally let's try the lemon juice. I wonder if this is going to be the same as the vinegar, maybe a bit different, we shall see. Oh, you can see that going pink as soon as I put it in. And that was going to make a really bright pink colour, so a different colour from the vinegar. Okay, so some fantastic colour changes. Look at them now. We've got right from green, blue, dark blue there through pink and purple, and of course the original purple that we started with without any different colours in. So you can make some beautiful colours with this magic colour changing dye. And the reason that this works is that in the red cabbage is a pigment, a colouring called anthocyanin, and that's what makes the red cabbage purple. And that pigment reacts, that colour, the anthocyanin, reacts to the different chemicals in these acids. These two are acids, lemon juice, and this alkali, something that's the opposite of an acid, the bicarbonate of soda. And the chemicals react in order to change the colour of the dye. And some scientists use this as a way to work out whether different substances, different liquids that they have are acid or alkali. So have a go. See if you can find some different liquids or different chemicals that will change, different products that will change the colour of the dye. Have a go. Make your own magic colour changing potions with some red cabbage, and don't forget to get some adult help.